Hi friends, my name is Rahul Jadhav. I am from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering, Management and Research, Akurdi, Pune. From Department of Civil Engineering, I am going to explain the uses of Space-Based Positioning System, that is SBPS. Introduction to Space-Based Positioning System. Positioning of any object on the surface of Earth can be determined by Space-Based Positioning System. SBPS receivers determine the position of any object existing on the surface of Earth by trilateration of microwave signals from satellite moving in the orbit of Earth at an altitude of 20,200 km. It is important to note that the SBPS is not fully functional global navigational satellite system. The satellite moving in orbit transmit precise microwave signal and the system enables a SBPS receiver so as to determine its location, speed, direction and time. Definition of SBPS. Space-based positioning system technology is a fast and accurate method of determining the location of any point of internet anywhere on the face of Earth of any time during the day or night. SBPS include following: GLONASS, Galileo, Gagan and Compass. SBPS application can be classified as follows: surveying and mapping on land, at sea and from the air. The applications are of relatively high accuracy for positioning in the both stationary and moving media. It includes geophysical and resource survey, GIS, data capture survey, etc. Second, land, sea, air navigation include en route as well as precious navigations, cargo monitoring, vehicle tracking. Third one is search and rescue operations including collision avoidance. The fourth one is spacecraft operations. The fifth one is military applications. Sixth one is recreation uses on land, at sea and in the air. Seventh one and the last one is other specialized uses such as time transfer, altitude determinations, automatic operations, etc. Other uses of SBPS like determining the borders, making existing utilities like highway, municipal amenities, photogrammetric and private site specific projects make them more dense or compact. GIS data, acoustic, monitoring well soil bring and other type of sampling locations, establishing state plan coordinate or geodetic coordinates used in as built survey and topographical survey, used for mine exploration, used in baseline survey and transverse control survey or transverse verification surveys, used in natural resource mapping, also used in communication tower survey and certifications, used in construction stakes over utilities, highways, facilities, building, etc. Office work. Second one is field reconnaissance. Third one is monumentation. Fourth one is finalizing observation window. Fifth one is session. Sixth one is organizational design. Seventh one is field observation and the last one is data transfer and data processing. Application of SBPS in establishing controls in various fields. In establishing the zero-order geodetic national survey control network of satellite-based positioning system station, it strengthens density and readjusts the existing network control station. It connects the remote island to geodetic control network of mainland. It is useful to study the polar motion. It is used to find the position of oceanic station in marine geodesy. It is used in earthquake monitoring. It is used for dereferencing of remotely sensed image. It is used in control surveying. Thank you so much guys. Please like the video.